I don't know I'm going to get across. I'm going to get my... Look, my trousers are getting dirty. Look at the state of my feet. I've got to try and get over there.
We're coming right back. Found this little hidden location. Seemed like there was a pathway here at some point. I go check it out a little bit. Hey guys, what's up? Happy New Year, Happy New Year. You know, I've been busy, not been idling, I've been busy. So, when we have been wondering, you know, what happened to the videos, not even a video to upload through the Christmas. The reason for that is because I've been working on a new channel. For those of you who have been lackadaisical, because on the home page you can scroll down, see the other two channels, or go on channels, see the other two channels. Which brings me to the dancehall channel that has been demonetized, right? You know, they must say too much sexually gratifying content on it. So at this point, I'm telling you the truth, people, but the kinda expect it. So when the time was like, alright, whatever, because I had already started to work on the other channel. You know, active standout universe, people. That is gonna be my tourism and culture channel. You know, when you hear me talk about this a little bit already, you know, that's a kind of the priority right now. And one of the reasons is that, to be honest, people, that is very, very, very easy to do videos on that channel. You know, and I get to explore Portmore in a way now that I'm not gonna say I had the chance, but I wasn't really interested in it for some reason. I don't know why. You know, but I've been exploring and just doing some things with this drone now where really give me a different type of insight into, you know, how Portmore really see and how much potential it has as a tourist destination. You know, so I'm kind of putting a lot of effort over to that channel right now. You know, so if you're not aware, please go over to that channel and subscribe. What I'm going to do after this is add some clips at each of the videos for that channel that I've been putting up so far. I put up 4 videos so far, and I just completed my next project, which I'll be premiering this Sunday at 10 a.m. and that is Old Shrimp Factory and Sandhills Beach, Hellshire's hidden beauty. And that video, both the first time for both locations. I mean, I tell you, people who don't want to take in that video, it's way at the back of Hellshire, way at the back of Hellshire, especially Old Shrimp Factory. You know, but the 2 locations, you trust me, both local and international, you know, a lot of people don't know of that location. You know, so you don't want to look out for that. And whoever think right now, say, you know what, watch all of the 4 videos on Active Universe already. I'm going to be adding in clips. As you might see at the beginning, I'm adding one already. I'm going to be adding in clips throughout the video for this project coming Sunday. So you're going to want to see those sneak peeks to the video for this Sunday. Alright, so just stay tuned and take in a sneak peek at the clips for this Sunday's video and also the 4 videos that I've already uploaded. Alright, people, stay tuned. Tell them look a bit about the healer, Annie.
Alright, so the ill thing is now plating. First and foremost, you have to seek your doctor's advice, yeah? Before you even start.
Yeah, don't know me there with Teddy at Seppa.
Yeah, peeps, you're outside, you know.
How long now you not come up here? Years.
Actually, at the what me consider the roughest stretch of the hill. You know, I tried the active track right here, so you know, see how that goes.
Probably about 4 or 5 years. Bonus are the best fishing spots, but you can find some fish around here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
What type of fish you usually find around that location here though?
Find shad, snapper, grunt. You know, and then you might find some parrot, jack as well.
Okay.
It's a cozy spot. It's a nice and easy spot. You can come in here and relax and chill. Maybe with even your family.
Outside of the
cook.
fishing, yeah.
Come cook and hang out, or you have people keep party down here on the beach as well. So, you know,
Yeah.
it's a spot where you can come have a little enjoyment. Bring your beer and your food and whatever and come pull out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aye. Alright, so apparently right here is the location that the shrimps were kept. So just showing you guys the area right now. So it's been abandoned for years, so obviously it would be dirty. So today I'm going to be focusing on Fun City, aka Forum Beach, and that is after you exit the Portmore toll, right on the left.
We have the when you finish skating or you want a little break.
Oh, there was a skating area here.
Right.
Oh,
So
see
over
that? Oh, I didn't
all
know
of
that.
this area was a skating area. When you want a little break now, you go over there and you get a little break, you get your juice or your snacks. In the floor days, you used to have weddings. I remember.
wow, weddings?
Yes. I remember a few Sundays and I came and I see weddings, whole place with white and it was a nice place. Yes, we come fishing, you know. You don't have to worry about nobody a trouble you. Nobody a trouble your things, as you can see. People camp out.
Yeah.
But take out the tent them. Because last night was a cool night, so
Yeah.
put them there play. You see it? Nice little spot to come camp out, man. You see me?
Any tours.
I left the pot them in the van and so they come say, oh.
yeah.
That wildlife, you know, you have to grow the youth them the right way. Yes.
Real talk.
You can't get up on that run city life every day.
True.
Sometimes you have to do some work.
Yeah man. So apparently there's a location right on the opposite side at the edge of that formation right there. So I'm gonna check it out because Omar was telling me that people actually go parties, have them go party locations around that side. So, you know, take time to walk and go and check it out. Alright, so see you on the other side. People, this is not the easiest location to get to. So warning for anybody who are consider to come around this side. The rocks are very sharp. Today, I'm going to be focusing on the Limestone Hill of Hellshire.